Anna and the new friend. Anna is a girl. She is happy. Today, Anna goes to the park. The sun is bright and the birds sing. Anna likes the park. Anna sees a boy sitting alone on a bench. The boy looks sad. Anna walks to the boy. Anna says, "Hello, what is your name?" The boy looks up and says, "My name is Ben." Anna smiles and says, "Why are you sad, Ben?" Ben says, "I am new here. I don't know anyone." Anna says, "Don't be sad. I can be your friend." Ben looks happy. He says, "Thank you, Anna." Anna and Belle play with a ball. They throw the ball to each other. They run and laugh. They have a lot of fun. After playing, Anna says, "Do you want to eat ice cream?" Ben says, "Yes, I like ice cream." Anna and Ben go to the ice cream shop. They choose chocolate ice cream. They sit and eat together. Anna asks, "Where do you go to school?" Ben says, "I go to green school. What about you?" Anna smiles and says, "I go to green school too." Ben is surprised and happy. "Wow, we are in the same school." Anna and Ben smile. They know they will be good friends. The story teaches us, be kind to others. Making new friends is good. Sometimes friends are closer than you think.